guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series, If I Can Do It, So Can You. Today I've got Mr. Brian Frost here, and we're gonna walk you through prepping your pool for all the cutouts. Let's dive in.
So what we're doing here is we're continuing to fill the pool, and we've got enough water in there and good enough suction right now that we're actually ready to start putting the swim out trim pieces in. So that's what they're doing right now. Once they get those swim out trim pieces in there, they'll be able to make that cutout around the swim out. So basically right now, we've set the liner, we put the vac on, we made our adjustments and got everything perfect, and we started filling the pool with water. Now we're ready to make our cutouts. So what the guys are doing right now is on the deep end swim out, we've got the water high enough and the vacuum's going still, so we've got good suction back against the wall, so we're actually ready to cut out that area around the swim out. So right now they're putting on the trim pieces on the sides, and then they'll put the trim piece along the bottom. Once they get those trim pieces in and set, then we're ready to cut that material out around that swim out. Okay, what we're doing now is we've got all of the trim pieces put in on the top on the bottom and on the sides. So we're actually ready to cut this section of the liner out. What we're doing right now is we're taking the tape off, and then we're going to be removing the board, and then we're going to get into the swim out and cut that piece out from the inside.
Now that the guys have the liner all cut away from the step, they're gonna go ahead and put the track cover over the track that they zipped it in with, and it's all done. Just like the trim on the step, the guys have gone ahead and put the trim around the light so that they can go ahead and cut the vinyl out, which they've gone ahead and done. Remember, when using your knife, you're very careful to only cut the vinyl that needs to be cut. You're gonna wanna go ahead and set your drill power to 6 or 7. The last thing you're gonna wanna do is over tighten these screws. After you have them all in, you can use a hand screwdriver to go ahead and make sure they're screwed in there nicely. So now that the faceplate is all screwed in, we're gonna go ahead and cut the liner on the inside of the faceplate. Behind that, you will see in just a moment your color magic insert. The last thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take that new faceplate vanity cover and snap it right over the faceplate. Okay, now you're gonna go ahead and screw on the gasket to the return. After that's all screwed in, you're gonna go ahead and cut out the vinyl and put your new Color Magic return fitting and beauty ring, and you're all set. All right, guys, so we hope you enjoyed our wonderful video today. We hope you learned a lot, and we can't wait to see you in our next one. Thanks, Brian.
Thanks for having me today. Appreciate it.
All right, see you later, guys.